I was certain of, being familiar with all air activities, that it was not a weather balloon, nor an aircraft, nor a missile. It was something else, which we didn't know what it was. They were just fragments strewn all over the area about 3/4 of a mile long and several hundred feet wide.
say that weather balloons aren't normally flown by special planes under armed guard.